Keep pushing, I got a hold of it.
All right, pulling it tight now.
Looks good. Go, lift! Take it up, let's move! Down, easy down, easy down. Sit down. Lowering the hook.
Keep it steady, watch your spacing.
Chalk is set. Confirmed, all clear. All right, easy back. Hold it right there. Clear. Set the pins.
Clear on the left side, keep coming. Clearance on the starboard stabilator is tight but clear.
Keep it coming straight. Easy now, easy.
Stop right there.
All right, chock's in place, move the tractor out.
Copy that. Hoses are clear on this side. Let's get the water hooked up. Check the leading edge of the stabilizer. That pitting is deep.
Roger that. We'll need dye penetrant on that section.
This fuel line is seized, applying more torque.
Be careful with that. I'm finalizing the electrical connections now.
Forward shackle is secure.
Aft is connected, torque looks good.
Okay, signaling the lift.
Slowly backing off the mount points.
Clear on this side, watch the firewall.
We're good, keep it steady.
Watch the clearance on your side. Looks good, rig and secure. Roger that. Crane, take the slack.
The oxidation on the compressor blades is worse than expected.
Yes, and the rust on the firewall structure is severe. We need to document the exact depth here.
Crane is moving into position. Watch the clearance on blade 2. Roger that. Ready for the hook.
Holding steady at 6 feet.
Clear to move horizontally now.
Slow rotation looks good, keep it coming right.
It's completely seized. We're going to need the hydraulic puller. And check the wear on these retention bolts. This entire assembly is compromised.
It's loose, get ready to take the weight. Got it, lowering now.
The deterioration on both pylons is exactly the same, especially the rust near the mounting points.
Confirmed. We'll need identical restoration procedures.
There it goes. Okay, it's loose.
I have the weight. Let's move it slowly to the right.
Clear?
This impact damage here is significant.
Yes, I'm seeing stress fractures radiating from this point.
Okay, applying torque now.
Keep it steady. Got it. The bolt is moving.
Clear on the pad. Start lifting slowly.
Copy that. Coming up and up.
And easy, easy. Hold it right there. We are level.
Right here is the priority area. We have pitting corrosion and the insulation is failing on these harnesses.
Did you get the exhaust fully sealed?
Yep, just finished stuffing the paper in.
I need a little more tape over here on the nacelle.
How does the alignment look on your side?
Looks good. The squeegee is working great on this fresh paint.
Watch the spacing on the warning placards near the intake. Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Got it. It's almost in the gimbal.
All right, push it forward slowly.
Hold it right there. I think we're aligned.
Okay, inserting the first bolt now. Looks secure.
Secured the top bolts. Moving to the bottom now with the... Okay, bring it up just a touch. Got it.
How are the holes looking?
Almost there. Hold it steady. Okay, push it forward just a touch. How's that look on your side? I've got the bolts ready. Perfect, torque them down.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Steady, steady, a little to the left. I got the pin in.
Clear on your side. Needs to slide another inch.
Almost there. Okay, I'm inserting the bolts now.
Make sure it's fully seated before torquing.
All right, easy now. Watch the alignment pin. Got it. Looks good from here. Go ahead and lower the jack.
Hold it steady right there. Bolts are in. Lower the jack slowly.
The tail section is finally complete. The trim looks good.
Yes, but look at these mounts. We need to double check the torque settings here.
Right, I'll have Mark check it.
Slow and steady on the drop. We have an inch clearance on the intake.
Roger, maintaining current rate. Looking aligned.
Lugs are aligned. Bring it in slow.
Roger that. Securing the rear mount now.
All connections checked.
Lower it 5 inches.
5 inches, Roger.
Okay, bump it left slightly. That's it.
Okay, hold it steady, a little to the left now. Clear on the right, bring it down easy.
Take this plastic over to the bin.
All right, I'll get the exhaust covers next.
Bring it down just a hair on your side.
Okay, easy now. Are the holes lining up?
Yes, perfect. Hold it steady while I start the bolts.
Got the last one right here. All right, easy lift.
Keep it steady. Guide it down slowly.
How's that alignment pin look?
Perfect, bring it in.
The paint job turned out perfect.
And the rotors are finally balanced.
She looks ready for duty.
It's finally done.
Looks incredible, doesn't it?
Museum quality for sure.